down here, almost broken. Hi guys, as you can see, I am done with the brake service. This is one of my worst looking braking disc. As you can see, it is broken down here, almost broken totally. I can think about the fact that when the casting process was made, the quality of the material here was poorer, so it led my braking disc to break. So I am very happy that it was verified and it was changed, because driving with this kind of braking disc can lead to block the entire braking system, and because when the pads are coming here, it can be blocked. So I don't even want to think about how dangerous it was to drive with this, but I didn't notice anything at the braking system. So yeah, now everything is changed and we are ready to go on a new adventures. Let's check out the other braking discs also, because I have collected them from the brake service, so I can show you. It's very heavy. Here are my other discs. We have changed them all, because if one of them was broken, they had to be changed. Okay, so I didn't have the chance to show you at the service my brand new brake discs and brake pads, because we have changed everything on my semi-trailer, and I'm going to show you right now, because I am under the truck. And look at this guy. Yeah, so now we can brake in safety. And we have also in there, let me show you, and there as well. So good morning everybody. I am right now at the tire shop because my tires needed to be changed before they become flat. So I am waiting to be this tire changed, and after that we are going to hit the road towards Poland. So stay sticked. Okay guys, so we are ready to go. It's done, so I'm very happy. So without the new lights you can see me like this, but with the new lights you can see me like this. So I had just started my trucking journey towards Poland and I'm transporting potato, and I wanted to show you my new lighting system. As you can see, it's very fancy. Ta-dam! And so now I can start making also night vlogs because you will see me much better. I am right now at the border crossing station and I am waiting. I am right before the weighing scale. Okay guys, so I have transported potatoes from Hargita County to Poland, Tarnów. I don't know if I pronounce it correctly. This is how 24 tons of potatoes look like. They are going to make from it French fries, and after that they are exporting it. I have just arrived, so I'm going to go to register, and after that I'm going to wait in the cabin to be unloaded. It's pretty chilly in here, and also my ratchet straps has loosened a little bit.